Hey crew, welcome back to the Days with A's YouTube channel and Happy New Year. I'm really hoping that 2022 isn't actually 2022. 2020 wasn't, you know, it's a sensitive subject. Anyways, going into the new year, I mean, this is where we've already been. Those are all the clothes I'm getting rid of. But we are starting fresh this year. It's gonna be a good year. And last year, I know I posted on my story, but that was a year ago, so you probably don't remember. So this was 2021's vision board. My word of the year was discipline, and I had a goal to start a podcast, a YouTube channel. I wanted to go to Hawaii. I wanted to eat healthier. I wanted to do big scary things, girl boss. I didn't want to eat candy that last year, and I didn't. Work out, Hawaii again. I wanted to go to Passion. So there was a lot of goals in 2021, and my goal was to, whenever I actually succeeded in those goals, then I would post evidence on top of it. So this one was my plane ticket for Hawaii, because I wanted to go to Hawaii. Plane tickets, summer staff for 2 months last summer. I was in the bakery, and I was like, I don't know where they're fitting this, but I was in the kitchen, and I literally cooked desserts twice a day, and I never ate any, so I put it by the candy. But it also could have been big scary things, could have been a few different places. I didn't have evidence for start the podcast, YouTube channel, and I didn't really do that good on collecting my evidence, or the idea is like print a picture from it and put it over. So this year I want to do better on that, but that's what we're gonna do today. Work on our 2022 vision boards, and I'm gonna kind of walk you through the process of mine. And if you get my monthly surprise boxes, welcome. I sent you double-sided tape to make this process a little easier, but if you don't get boxes, and that was actually my last one, so that's sad. 2022 is not gonna consist of surprise boxes, but that's okay. Double-sided tape is super cheap. I made a list of my goals. Okay, so I have a list of goals, things I want to do, places I want to go on a goal sheet. So that's the first step, is to make a list of goals. Next step is, my light just fell over. Step is to go to Pinterest and look up pictures that have to do with your goals. So like one of mine, I want to go to the Macy's Day Parade. Super random, but I think I've always wanted to do it. Let's also think, this year I want to do 75 hard. So then that's okay, so I'll find one for Macy's Day Parade and 75 hard. But what I would do, so these are kind of like low-key cringy. This one's not that bad. 75 hard challenge. Or even if I did this. Okay, I like this one. This one's cuter. And then I'm gonna send these pictures to Walgreens, and we'll pick up from there. Okay, so I just went to Walgreens and I got our pictures. All my goals and pictures. I'm also gonna put my Pinterest 2022 board down below. So you guys can click on that to get some ideas of just what I have. I wanna live in my own place. I want to travel to Colorado. So many girls trips. Got a few places of where I wanted to go, just so it can be specific. I want to go on a sailing trip, beach trips. I turned 21 this year. Ayo. Learn how to play guitar. Here's our Macy's Day Parade. Adventures. So many balloons because they're fun. I love balloons and I want to celebrate people well this year. 75 hard. Dream big. Positivity is key, mindset, I want an adventure, and then just some other fun fillers. All you're gonna need is your double-sided tape, scissors, your pictures, and then from last year's board, I have like pins that we thought were super cute, and it added a lot of things. And also whenever you go to pin on your checklist, like the things you did, you can just reuse these pins and stick things on top. So we got heartworms from Target last year, and I'm pretty sure this board is just from Target too. But that's all you're gonna need. Super easy, super cheap. There's always discount codes for Walgreens pictures, so make sure you use those. And yeah, let's do it. And now we have the finished product. Macy's Day Parade. Yes, okay, so throughout the year, this will be so fun because I'll be able to pin off things whenever it happens. Fun picnic on the beach. I print a picture, I post it on there. When I go to Macy's Day Parade, print a picture, or if I get a ticket or something, put it on there. My plane tickets, I can pin right there. Concert tickets, maybe start a book, I don't know. Go sailing. I want to read the Bible, the whole Bible this year, start a Bible study. So here's some girls in Bible studies. Girls trips, just reminders to remind myself. I want to run marathons, 5Ks, so then I'll post my tags or my whatever they're called, my numbers on here. So many fun things and dreams for 2022. So a fun little trick. So I've layered a few pictures here, cut out smaller pictures to fill in awkward spaces, shaped a few, cut a few hearts to stick on here, and then the pins are really key. Pins, that's a fun pop of something, but different shaped pictures is key to making it look full and trying to balance it. So like if I have a lighter pictures down here, having a light pictures up there helps balance it. Have a pink over here, so pink up here and down here. This is also one big picture, but it's layered, so then I try to do more like layers and busyness over here too. But yeah, just the balance is what makes it look good from afar. I hope you guys are able to take some tips and tricks from this on how to create your vision board with your own special twist. But if you guys do, let me know, tag me, text me, whatever you want to do. I would love to see the finished product of your vision board. I know my mom, she's doing ones, a bunch of my friends did them last year. They're so fun and just a good way to wake up like every day and be able to see your goals for the year and be reminded of them. Because I know a lot of times I like set them at the beginning of the year and then I'm like, comes July, I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot my word of the year or whatever it was. So it's such a good way to just be reminded of your goals throughout the year, because I'm believing 2022 is going to be the best year yet. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you're going to do this, or if you do it, please let me know. I would love to see how they turn out. But Happy New Year, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy vision board making.